Hello. Kimchi is a very typical Korean side dish. I'm not a Korean, but there's a lot of Korean people living in my hometown, Dongbei, China. Kimchi is always popular in my hometown. I've been eating kimchi since my childhood. Through my own hands-on experience, I find a special way to make kimchi. However, my way of making kimchi is different than the traditional Korean method, but I found it to be just as good, efficient, and easy to make. Today, I will tell you how. Please keep secret. First, we prepare bok choy. Cut the bok choy to your preferred shape. For me, I prefer like this. Put them in a container. Put some salt and let them mix evenly. Let the salted bok choy sit for at least 1 hour. While this is sitting, we prepare pickle sauce. Peel and cut ginger, garlic, apple, pear, and lemon. Put all of this in a blender and mix them with some fish sauce. Put some sugar inside. Put a proper amount of chili powder into the liquid sauce. It is better to use a liquid sauce specially made for kimchi from a Korean store. Mix them all. We can make extra liquid sauce during one preparation for next time in order to save time. Any extra liquid can be frozen in the fridge to use next time. While pickling the bok choy, excess water will accumulate. Remove the excess water. Mix the pickle sauce into the pickled bok choy. Put this into a container and store them in the fridge. It will be ready after 5 days or so for fermentation. This is kimchi from the last time. I will cook some self-made dumpling for my lunch. Kimchi will be a nice side dish for my dumpling.